Hi, my name is Stephen Sheppard. I'm a professor of economics here at Williams College. And I'd like to talk today about incorporating research, in particular my own research, into lecturing and into the classroom. For many of us, part of why we enjoy being professors is what's sometimes described the joy of figuring things out. And part of what we're trying to do in the classroom is to help students experience that same joy, to help them realize how incredibly fun and exciting it can be to figure something out. And for me, one of the best ways of doing that is to bring some aspects of my own research into the classroom. That can work very well for more specialized classes. It doesn't always isn't always possible with an introductory class or an intermediate class where there's certain core ideas of the discipline that have to be covered. But even in those cases, there will be ways of illustrating the ideas or the applications with some aspect of your own research. And that's, of course, where you as a person feel the passion, because you remember the joy that you felt when you figured something out. And so you're trying to create for the students that process, to explain to them and help them see how to identify a question, how to frame it in a way that it's capable of being answered, and then explain for them or take them through the process of investigation, framing the problem, investigating it, drawing together evidence, and figuring something out. And I do that, for example, in teaching urban economics, where I've done research on how cities come to have the form that they have, why some cities seem to be more successful than others or are regarded as more desirable places to live than others. And trying to pose the problem, to frame the question so that people can see there's a puzzle there, there's something that needs to be answered, and to see that we can use some aspect of economic theory to think about and organize our thoughts about this problem. And that theory points us in the direction of the type of data that we need to pull together to investigate the question. We talk about the data, where the data can be obtained, how sometimes you have to collect the data yourself, sometimes you can obtain it from government sources or wherever. To pull this together, think about how to analyze the data, and then to see a new result or some new insight into the process, to be able to sort out what is more influential in terms of, say, measuring urban sprawl. Is it the availability of alternative types of transportation, or is it the price of transportation, or can anything be done? To lead students through that process of discovery, that's a joyful thing, and it's an exciting thing. And I think conveying the passion and wonder of that discovery, that to me is a central part of teaching. And it's the fun, it's the funnest part, because it links very directly to what I feel passionate about myself and why I love doing this job.